Welcome back, my friends. Today we have such a fun craft for you, actually two of them. And we're going to start with some cotton balls and some red paper. We're also going to be using some googly eyes. Use whatever ones you feel appropriate for the size you need. We're going to use some paper plates, and we're going to use this cream color paint by Waverly and the cashew. And then we're going to use a couple of paintbrushes, scissors, and the hot glue, and then a pink marker and a black marker. My daughter is helping me today, and the first thing we want to do is we want to paint the surface. So this is the back of the plate. We want to paint the whole thing in the nice cream color, and of course we want to set it to the side to fully dry. Once that is drying, we are going to take the red paper and we're just going to cut it in half. This is just so that we can share, but of course you can use whatever size you want depending on how high you want the hat to be. We're creating a cute little Santa. And so first we want to do is we want to place it on top and mark at the top in the center, and then mark where the paper plate kind of meets at the end, and then just cut it into a triangle, just like we're doing right here. This is going to be a little Santa hat. And of course, we want to then add some cotton balls. So bring on the cotton balls, and we're going to add one at the top as the little top portion of the Santa hat. And then we're going to line the bottom of it with more cotton balls. Now that the plate is nice and dry, we are going to attach it using hot glue. You can also use white glue or glue stick if you'd like. And then once attached, we're going to add the googly eyes. These size we thought would be appropriate for the size of the face. And we're just going to hot glue them in place. And then it's time to just start adding a ton of cotton balls to create a mustache and to create a beard. And this is where you can have so much fun. Again, just be careful, of course, if you're using hot glue. Do that portion if you need to. But I think white glue would work really well for this. And then just keep doing it until the entire plate is covered. There we go. We have it covered, and I think it looks so cute. We're going to draw a little mouth right there, and then we want to give Santa some rosy cheeks because, of course, it's got to be cold in the North Pole. So we want to add that right there on each side. This is optional. You don't need to add this if you don't want. And I think they turn out super adorable. What a fun craft you can make with your kiddos. I love how easy it is and inexpensive, and the cotton balls look so good. What do you think of this one? For the next Christmas craft, we are going to take more cotton balls, and a bowl from whatever you have in the kitchen is fine as long as it's large enough to fit what you want. And then we're going to use blue construction paper and orange as well. We're going to use a piece of scrap fabric. If it looks wintry or Christmassy, even better. We're going to use some googly eyes, buttons, as well as some markers. And of course, we are going to use pencil, scissors, and hot glue. All right, we're going to trace the bowl onto the paper, and then we're going to start opening up some cotton balls, and this is what we're going to use to attach to the bottom of what will be a snow globe. So we're going to start hot gluing it. Again, you can use white glue or glue sticks if you want, and then just cover it up just a little bit. This is just to create a nice bed of snow. And then once that is attached, we want to take more cotton balls, and then we want to create a snowman. Now this part, we were laughing so hard because this is not our best work as crafters. My daughter and I were cracking up because it did not turn out the best. But the beauty of it is that we had fun. We crafted together. And I think it looks okay, but it's not our best work. All right. So our snowman looked the best we can get him to. And now we're going to add scarves to them. We're just going to cut off a piece of the fabric and we're going to hot glue it to the center. I decided to knot it to one side after I hot glued it, and she decided to kind of turn it to one side. You do whatever you want, of course. We are then going to add some little details to our snowman, and we're going to add buttons first. You can add whatever else you want. You can also cut circles with black paper, whatever you want. We're going to hot glue them in place, and then we're going to work on adding a nose. We're going to use the orange craft paper or construction paper, and we're going to cut out a triangle to make it look like a carrot. We're going to hot glue it right there to the center of the face. Now we decided to add at the very last minute a little hat. This is just going to add a little bit of texture, I guess, and color. We cut the fabric in about squares, and then we're just going to fold it and hot glue it just like you see there. And then we're going to take some jute string and we're just going to scrunch it at the top and cut off the excess. This is just going to look like one of those little winter hats. Again, it's not our best work. We should have done it a little bigger. But again, this was last minute addition that we wanted to do. And we're just going to go with the flow here. But anyways, we're going to hot glue it in place after we cut the excess off. And then we are going to add some googly eyes. This is a snow globe, so we're going to add some snowflakes onto around the snowman inside the snow globe. And then we are going to add a base to our snow globe. Now, I decided to just paint it with marker. My daughter was very smart and she decided to go grab some black construction paper and she decided to add that to the bottom and cut it in the shape of a stand. You do whatever works best for you. I like my daughter's idea best. But again, do whatever you have and whatever you have at home works. Now we're going to cut everything around the snow globe so that it looks nice and cut and trimmed. And again, I got to say, they're not our best work, but I do love that we did it together. I think it's so much fun. What do you think though? Let me know down in the comments. Is this something you'd love to try with your kiddos? And what else would you have added? What would you have done differently with this one? I have another video here for you, my friends, with tons more of Christmas crafts inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.